We had studied prepare partners capital account under fixed capital system. So here the question will come like this: prepare two partners capital accounts under fluctuating capital system. You see the word fluctuating capital system with 5 imaginary figures. See, this question had come in March 2019 for 5 marks. It's very important practical oriented question. So how we are going to solve it? See, like this. First, as it is, you write this partners capital account. See, the word is already given in the question, partners capital account. You write as heading, and in the bracket you should write fluctuating capital system. I have written only fluctuating method, but you better write fluctuating capital system. Yes, then here DR, that is debit this side, then you write here CR, that is credit. It's important to write. Then as it is, you draw the accounts, particulars you write Ram rupees, Rahim rupees, two partners. Again here particulars, Ram I have written rupees, Rahim I have written rupees. Fine? Yes. Since it is fluctuating capital method, see there is only one account. If you see the differences we have already studied, the balance there will be only one account. There is one extra thing will come here, that is by balance brought down. But in the previous problem, in fixed capital method, by balance brought down we don't take, because for capital this balance thing will be done in a separate account. But in fluctuating method, this balance will be brought in this partner's capital account itself. So this is the biggest difference here. Okay, so this is very important point here. In fluctuating, you will write here by balance brought down. So let's take 1 lakh. Imagine I'm writing here 1 lakh. Rahim also 1 lakh. Yes? Okay. Next. By interest on capital. What is interest on capital? We have studied this in the previous video. But still I'll tell. Interest on capital is Ram and Rahim have invested 1 lakh. Okay. So they are receiving the interest. Ram is getting say 10,000. Rahim is also getting say 10,000. Better go for same amount, because we'll assume that it is done in the ratio 1:1. So on this capital Ram ಮತ್ತು Rahimಗೆ interest ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Interest they are receiving. Yes. So their accounts will be credited. So accounts will be credited here. 1 lakh they have invested, so they are receiving 10,000 each interest on their capital. They have received the interest on their capital, so the account is credited. Then by Ram's salary. What do you mean by Ram's salary? That means Ram has done some work in the business. That is why Ram is receiving the salary. Ram is getting money. So only Ram's account will be credited. Say with 10,000. Okay. Rahim we are not giving any salary, so put dash. Okay. By Ram's salary. Ram has done some work in the business, so he is receiving the money. Okay. Yes. Now by profit and loss appropriation account. This is similar to your profit and loss account. It means if it is profit, we write here in a credit side. If it is loss, we write it in the debit side. Even here we will assume in this problem that there has been profit of 20,000 each are getting. Yes, 20,000 each are getting. Profit has happened by doing the business. So that account is by profit and loss appropriation account. It is profit has happened by doing this partnership business. Okay. Now let's come this side, debit side. We take two drawings account. What is drawing? That means Ram and Rahim have withdrawn, have taken some money from the business for their personal use, for their home. So let's say they have withdrawn 10,000, Rahim also 10,000. Yes, Ram has withdrawn this 10,000 from his account. He's taking money and going home. Rahim also. So their accounts will be debited. So the entry we write like this: partners capital account debtor to drawings account. Their account is debited. Okay. Yes. Now interest on drawings account. See, this is D, okay, drawings. Interest on drawings account. What do you mean by interest on drawing account? It means since Ram and Rahim have withdrawn the money, ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅವ್ರ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಯೂಸಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಹೀಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಏನು? ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಹೀಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಹೀಮಿಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಹೀಮ್ ಅವರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಮನಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ 1000 each. Okay, better go for equal amount. Both will do equal. It is easy for calculation also. So drawings was what? They have removed money from their business and taken home. So interest on drawing is what? They have removed the money, they have taken drawing, so interest is charged on them. Idu antara fine they have to pay. Yes. Then now next thing is we are going to balance the account. How do you balance the account? You can use your calculator also. First let's see for Ram. Yes, Ram total you do. So this side, credit side, it is more. So it's going to be, see, one total it will be 40. 20 plus 10 plus 10, 40 plus 1 lakh. So 1,40,000 here. 1,40,000 here. Right? Then Rahim you total. Of course this side is more. So 10 plus 20, 30,000. So 1,30,000. Please use your calculator. And here also 1,30,000. So minus this 1,40,000 with these two amount, 10,000 and 1,000. That you will put here to balance carried down. So minus it and see. 40,000 minus 10,000 will be 1,30,000. So 1,29,000. Please use your calculator. 1,30,000 minus 10,000 is 1,20,000. So 1,19,000. Use your calculator. Then you bring this amount by balance brought down. So ide amount you write here. 1,29,000. 1,19,000. Yes. Okay. Some people write here total also, which is also correct. If you don't write also, there should not be a problem. So this was the problem. Thank you.